Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to upgrade on a Qantas flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com. Then you'll have a screen like this in front of you. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, and in the middle of the screen, we have, of course, the, as you can see, book a trip, where you can go and actually go and book your own trip. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade on a Qantas flight. So we have classic upgrade rewards. So go to Qantas website and then go to manage bookings. So here on your name and then click on manage bookings. So click on my bookings and then here when you click on it, you will have manage booking here. Then click on manage booking and enter your reference and last name. Click on the upgrade button and choose classic upgrade rewards. Use your Qantas points to request an upgrade. You'll be notified if your request is successful. You can of course bid now for upgrades. So you can go on again to manage bookings and click on upgrade button and choose bid now upgrade. So you can go and bid for upgrades, of course. And that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.